Hi, this is Fateme, and I'm here to walk you through the installation of Simplus on macOS operating system using scripts. First, you need to go to robo.simplus.ml website and then click on the installation button and choose Setup and Run for macOS. Scroll the page and choose the installation section. Then, from the Using a Script, download the installer script. Extract the installer.zip file. Open the installer directory. Now open the terminal and write sh space and drag and drop the file into the terminal and press enter. It may take few minutes. You don't have to press anything, it will download all the file by itself. After the script stopped, you will find Simplus_weird directory near your installer file. Place this directory on your desktop in order to be able to use the Simplus panel application. This is the root directory of the platform. You will see that we mention this directory in our tutorials a lot. Open this directory and go to Simplus_Mac. Double-click on the Simplus application. You will see that the Simplus panel will be opened. In order to open the simulator, click on the Open Simulator button. You will see the Game Manager, Simplus Monitor, and the Capella Sim Edu simulator will be opened. Go back to the panel and click on first Clear, then Run Client, and after that Run Server button in order to run the sample code. Wait a few seconds and you will see that the Simplus robot will be moved based on the sample code. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching.